If you want to buy a Bethane or Versatone e-bike and conversion kit, I'm your guy. This is Ben from Versatone. We have over 5 years of experience in the bicycle DIY industry and over 200,000 happy customers from all around the world. If you don't know whether to trust us, search Versatone on Google, and you will know that we are serious and responsible merchants.
And have been selling products on multiple platforms for many years. You can find out on Bafang's website that we are a close business partner. Also, we have our own brand products. After countless trials and hardships, just to turn into your product. Where am I? We are located in the coastal area of Guangdong, as the province with the highest GDP in China, where we gather high-quality products from all around the country and prepare to export to all over the world. Our series of services can reduce the time cost of customers by at least half and create double benefits. To help cyclists ride faster and farther, we established Varstrom to assist them in modifying their bicycles by installing electric bicycle drive kits to gain extra power. Help them fully enjoy their riding experience. To meet customers' needs, we have local warehouses in many countries, especially the US and Europe, providing you with 6 to 8 days of free door-to-door delivery service. Strong pre-sales and after-sales team. Contact us at any time for free technical consultation. We are aiming to build a bridge between customers and products. Thanks to the YouTube platform, we can have a social playground for DIY bicycles.
Subscribe. Let Versatone become your cyclist partner.